Plant FAQs, Caladium Lemon Blush. Caladium Lemon Blush, sunshine in the shade. I'm Furvu, and I'm here to answer your burning questions about the Caladium Lemon Blush, a stunning shade-loving plant that brings a vibrant splash of color to any space. What is Caladium Lemon Blush? The Caladium Lemon Blush is a tropical tuberous perennial belonging to the Caladium hortulanum species. Nicknamed angel wings for its beautiful heart-shaped leaves, this caladium boasts a captivating color combination. The center of the leaf displays a vibrant rose-red hue, edged with a broad chartreuse margin. The leaves are held aloft by slender, upright stalks, creating an elegant and eye-catching display. See more 19 species and genus Caladium at monsterholic.com. Where does Caladium Lemon Blush thrive? Unlike many flowering plants that wilt under the harsh summer sun, Caladium Lemon Blush flourishes in partial to full shade. This makes it a perfect choice for brightening up shady corners of your patio, porch, or garden. How big does Caladium Lemon Blush get? This caladium is a compact grower, maturing to a height of 15 to 20 inches with a spread of 10 to 14 inches. Its manageable size makes it ideal for container gardening, allowing you to add a touch of the tropics to balconies, decks, or even indoor spaces with bright, indirect sunlight. Caladium Lemon Blush versus Caladium White Christmas. Both Caladium Lemon Blush and Caladium White Christmas are popular choices for shade gardens. However, they offer distinct visual experiences. Color contrast. Caladium Lemon Blush features a vibrant rose-red center with a chartreuse edge, providing a striking contrast. Caladium White Christmas offers a more subdued elegance, with its white center edged in deep green. Leaf shape. Both varieties boast heart-shaped leaves, but Caladium White Christmas has slightly more pointed lobes, while Lemon Blush has a more rounded appearance. Ultimately, the choice depends on your personal preference for color and form. How to care for Caladium Lemon Blush. Caring for your Caladium Lemon Blush is relatively simple. Here's what you need to know. Light. As mentioned earlier, provide your caladium with bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sun exposure, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Caladiums prefer consistently moist soil, but not waterlogged. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Soil. Opt for a well-draining, fertile potting mix. A mixture containing peat moss, perlite, and compost works well. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, you can feed your caladium with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks. However, avoid over-fertilizing, as this can damage the plant. Temperature. Caladiums thrive in warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Protect them from frost and cold drafts. Winter care for Caladium Lemon Blush. In colder climates, USDA zones below 10 to 11, Caladium Lemon Blush is treated as an annual. As the temperatures drop and the foliage begins to die back, you can either dig up the tubers. Carefully dig up the tubers after the first frost. After removing excess soil, store them in a cool, dark location with good ventilation. In the spring, you can replant the tubers for another season of vibrant foliage. Compost the plant. If you don't want to bother with storing the tubers, simply compost the entire plant and start fresh with new tubers next spring. Common Caladium Lemon Blush problems. Caladiums are generally low-maintenance plants, but there are a few potential issues to watch out for. Overwatering. This is the most common problem. Yellowing leaves and mushy tubers are signs of overwatering. Adjust your watering schedule and ensure proper drainage. Pests. Caladiums are rarely bothered by pests, but they can be susceptible to mealybugs or spider mites. If you see any infestation, treat the plant with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Where to buy Caladium Lemon Blush? Caladium Lemon Blush tubers or potted plants can be found at most garden centers, nurseries, or online retailers specializing in tropical plants. The final word on Caladium Lemon Blush. The Caladium Lemon Blush is a vibrant and low-maintenance plant that adds a touch of the tropics to any space. With its beautiful foliage and shade tolerance, it's a perfect choice for gardeners of all levels. So, if you're looking for a way to brighten up your shady areas, consider adding a Caladium Lemon Blush to your collection.